execute a route check. To start a route check, open the Route Planning panel and then click on the Check Route page. Click on the Start Route Checking button in the Check Route group. The progress is displayed and can be interrupted at any time by pressing the Stop button. To complete the checking process, you must restart by clicking on the Continue Route Checking button. A confirmation window will appear. Click on Continue to confirm. Show on Chart function. You can see the detected dangers on the set route segment promptly by clicking on the Show Danger on Chart button. The detected danger will be highlighted according to the alert created. Message window. If the route check has revealed navigation dangers, a message will be displayed in the Check Route group window on the Check Route page. The message contains information about the number of alerts, on which route leg the danger has been detected, the type of danger, and the chart number. Scroll to Danger function. To view the detected dangers on the checked route segment successively, use the buttons Arrow Left or Arrow Right. Via Route Editor panel. Another option for activating voyage monitoring is to load the required route and then select the Monitoring button on the Route Planning panel. The currently monitored route will be displayed in red on the Chart panel. Editing monitored route. While sailing on a monitored route, you can load and edit it on the Route Planning panel. If you want to save the route, you must confirm that the current schedule will be unloaded from monitoring, or alternatively, save the route under a new name. Route data via Control panel. One option to obtain information on the sailing along the route is route data on the Display panel on the Control panel. Unload route plan. To unload a monitored route, activate the Unload drop-down menu of the Route Monitoring tab on the Monitoring panel and unload Route and Schedule, or just the schedule if the time frame is irrelevant.
Managing schedules. Creating multiple route schedules for one route is possible through the Schedule group on the Schedule Calculation page of the Route Planning panel. Click on the Create Schedule button. Input the new data in the Schedule table. Then click on the Start Schedule Calculation button. You can save the schedule under a new name by entering the name in the input field. If you want to delete the calculated data, click on the Clear Schedule button. To completely delete the saved schedule, click on the Delete Schedule button, then select the schedule from the drop-down list. A confirmation window will appear. Click Yes to confirm.
Parameter adjustment. The list of area alerts, anti-grounding alerts, and the safety contour value used in the route check are displayed in the Safety Options group. You can select or unselect area alerts and anti-grounding alerts listed in the Objects to Check drop-down list on the Safety Alerts page in the Monitoring panel. The safety contour value used in the route check can be changed on the Route Planning panel on the Extra Data table. Exit route check. To exit checking mode without accepting the results of the route check, click on the Exit Route Checking button. Accept function. After accepting the check route result, it will be entered into the voyage plan. To accept the route checking results and exit the checking mode, click on the Accept Route Checking Results button. A Voyage Plan Report Confirmation window will pop up. Click on Yes to view the results, or No to cancel. Via Monitoring panel. One option for activating the route monitoring function of a route that has been previously created on the Route Planning panel is to select the required route from the drop-down menu on the Route Monitoring tab of the Monitoring panel. Route data via Conning panel. Another way to display the data of the monitored route is at the left sidebar via the Conning panel. There you select the Route tab. Route alert.
Ship symbol. The own ship can be displayed as a symbol or by contour. Change the settings on the route monitoring page of the monitoring panel. The contour will only be displayed when the scale is appropriate to the ship dimensions.
Next waypoint function. When you activate the monitoring of a route, the function Next Waypoint on the monitoring panel will be activated as well. If you go to the Route Data menu on the Multi-Display panel, or the Route display via the left sidebar, this functionality provides you with route data to a manually or automatically selected waypoint.
Display of prediction, channel display. By default, the outlined button is not activated, and all prediction points are displayed as ship symbols. Click on the outlined button and all prediction points will be connected. Deactivate prediction. To deactivate the Show Prediction function, press the button again, and all prediction points will disappear. Curved heading line. Curved heading lines, CHL, can be pre-calculated and displayed for up to 2 courses via the CHL function on the Precision Instruments panel. This is found in the drop-down list of the Multi-Panel and Curved Heading Lines window in the lower section of the control panel. Autopilot on/off. When autopilot is set on, it is not possible to change the curve heading line settings. If the autopilot functionality is off, you can enter appropriate parameters for up to 2 curve headlines, such as the next course through water, radius, length of predicted vector, and delay. Data can be entered in the text field or via play mode by scrolling the trackball. Ownership vectors. There are 2 motion vectors: course over ground vector, motion vector over the ground; heading vector, vector of motion relative to the water. It is possible to display the 2 vectors at the same time.
Active route display. You can change which information about the active route is displayed in the monitoring task using the Route Monitoring tab. The following information can be displayed on the chart: cross-track distance, radius, waypoint names, wheel over lines, sun, moon, course, leg, speed, heading mark, reference points, remarks. ETA calculator. You can calculate the ETA and time to go for any waypoint while sailing along an activated and scheduled route by using the calculator in the route data display of the control panel. You can enter the desired planned speed of proceeding to the specified point. For the planned time of arrival, PTA calculation. Alternatively, enter the desired planned time of arrival, PTA to the specified point. For the speed to go, STG calculation.
Display of vectors. To turn the display of the vectors on or off, click the buttons in the ship group, course over ground vector or heading vector. Orientation. You can switch the own ship symbol display orientation along the ship's true motion vector, course over ground, or along the ship's heading by the Align By on the route monitoring page. Vector length values. To change the setting for the motion vector length, use the Vector drop-down box in the Control Panel window. The length can vary from 1 to 24 minutes. The value defines the length of the displayed vector. You can set a fixed vector length value, which does not change with the chart scale, fixed. Where to find. To display the track of a maneuver, you can activate an expected motion line, EML, of your own ship via the Show Prediction button on the Predictor page. This is found on the Precision Instruments panel from the drop-down list of the Multi-Display Panel window. The prediction points are displayed in ship symbols with current maneuvering parameters for a period of up to 6 minutes and allows to spot turning tendencies. Curved heading lines display. The activated curved heading line is displayed in blue, and the inactive curved heading line is displayed in pink. Switch between curved heading lines. The parameters of curved heading lines can be shown via the buttons Show 1 and/or Show 2. You can switch between the activated curve headlines by pressing button Active 1, 2. By pressing Link, a curved headline can be generated for 2 upcoming courses.
Display of primary and secondary track history. Your past track, that is based on primary or secondary position source, can be displayed on the route monitoring page of the monitoring panel under Past Track Settings. The track segment can be set into different colors. Select the desired color by clicking on the track color selection box. Click on the side arrow to scroll the color selection box. The Plot Interval drop-down button will show the pre-selected time of plotting interval. Click on it, and select the desired time, in seconds from the drop-down list. Select the desired time label, from the drop-down list of pre-selected time label in minutes, by clicking on Time Label drop-down button. Use on-ship track input line to enter the time value, which the length of the displayed on-ship track will correspond to. Click on Track History drop-down button. A list of date will appear. Select the desired date of the track required to be displayed. Click Focus on Track button to display the entire on-ship track for the selected date on the chart panel. Tick on or off the 3 checkboxes: Show Time Labels, Show Primary Track and Show Secondary Track Position to turn on or off the display of the corresponding checkboxes from the chart panel.